Did you do your homework? Yes, I did. I do my homework.
Let's play volleyball at the break time.
Okay, let's do.
Will you accompany me to the toilet?
I'm sorry, I'm busy.
Will you accompany me to the toilet?
Of course.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did. No, I did not.
Have you finished homework?
Yes, I have.
No, I have not.
Not yet.
What do you want to buy in the break time?
I want to buy noodle. I want to buy snack. I want to buy cream. Would you accompany me to the toilet?
I'm sorry, I'm busy.
Of course.
Of course, I would. What do you want to buy at the break time?
I want to buy chocolates. Want to buy a car. I want to buy noodle.
What do you think about our menu today?
Delicious. It's yummy.
It's delicious.